all. Hi, very good morning to all. Let me tell you one thing that all of 2 days, 2 or 3 days left. I never ever tried any videos. I'm not able to talk in front of you guys because I was little bit busy in my chore. So that's why today I decided to. I want to share my things. I want to share my feelings to my subscriber and to my followers also. So let us start off new things. Hello everyone, my name is Pallavi and I'm going to talk about how you don't know about how to speak fluent in English and how to speak confidently English in front of many of people and how to speak English without fear. So you don't know about all these things. So come up with me, guys. I'm here. And I'm going to talk with three things that you will be do definitely. To be honest, I'm pretty much good in my language, in English language. So many of kind of people they always say to me like my English is very nice. Like I'm going to fluent in English, and I'm always talking in English without any getting fear or without any disturbance. So I'm talking in front of you guys. That is the confidence. It's a very much confidence, and you need to use that confidence wherever you are talking in front of people. So let's start. So many of kind of people always say to that person who don't know about the English, that people don't know any of this language. See, I want to tell you one thing. This is not a subject. English is not a subject. English is a language. And when we learn that English subjects from fifth standard, means right now this is from first standard, but in my life there was from first to there was my fifth standard to 10th standard. That was the English subject, but I never know anything. I never knew anything about that language because I know all these things. I knew my ABCD alphabet. I learned at my age. It's about 7 to 8 years. I was that time. So I applied this English language is only a subject. So I use that English subject. It's like a passing subject. So most of kind of my friends also doing these things means they are using only they are only applying only like English subject. This is a subject only. So they tried many things like only for writing and reading only. So I understand all these things and I was strong in that too, reading and writing. But I never know about how to learn English, how to speak English in front of, because there was my fear and I never ever used that cross my fear. So I never applied in my life too. But after some time, always means I got all these things and that up to 10 I passed all subject in a nice percentage, like near about 80, near about 85%. So my 10th that was 2005. So it's not about, I'm not telling like that, but see guys, see students, say I'm telling to all students don't be do like my way, because English is not a subject. Okay, so do as this is a subject as well as this is a language too. So you need to wherever you are talking to speak fluently in Marathi, so you need to speak also in English too, because this is not our national language but it's our international language. So that's why we need to use this English language fluently in front of any kind of people. So most of the people do all these things. Class, this is a class is very nice. You will get the right proficiency. In after that, you will get confidence like that. So I'm not doing means I never did any classes join because I know I was strong in reading and writing. So I ever know that time my papa he wanted to join me in for English class. So they also learn all these things like grammar and how to write Marathi language in English. So I learned all these things only, but I don't know about how to speak. I didn't know about how to speak. Means I never ever tried ever. Never I'm trying to speak in English in front of anyone. So I tried my English language with them in front of with a confidently. So I can able to speak right now in English fluency. So many of people that telling do this thing, that do that things, you will get positive impact on using that things. So stand in front of mirror and take a one topic and talk in front of mirror. But I didn't know. I applied, but I never ever with I never my boost my confidence. I never boost my confidence in front of mirror. Whenever I stand in front of mirror, that time I already have some of fear that I wanted to talk on topic in front of mirror. So I forgot all these things. I didn't remembered all that topic stuff. So I never use that things, but I'm going to tell you my tricks. Means I was applied in my life. That was very awesome. That was very awesome. First of all, whenever first things I'm going to tell you that you need to watch regular. See, you need to do these things regular, consistently. Means you will get output 100%. Whenever you will do this thing consistently with 100%, then you will receive your output 200%. So must of let us start with watching video, like watching small video, means kids video. Most of the kids, most of the student like all this video, means kids cartoon. Do you know all these kids cartoon? So don't underestimate your power. So see all these videos and learn, listen these things, and means you will improve your listening skills too. Wherever some of many people are talking in front of you in English, but you cannot listen properly that person, because your listening skill isn't, this is abnormal. So that's why you need to improve your listening skills first. And you need to watch regular at least 15 minutes. You to watch that kids channel or cartoon channel, or you can use here some of anybody want to um, listen only radio channel. So use that radio channel or podcast channel in English if you want to learn English. Okay, so let us start with the next. All these two steps and improve your listening skills. Then second thing, you need to keep watching or your video, kids cartoon video, or if you like cricket commentary. If you like cricket, so you can listen all commentary of cricket channel. So use that stuff also. This is the first level to learn your listening skills first. After that, let me tell you, you can use from every single day you use to read any of storybook. So this is the reading skills. You need to improve your reading skills also. Means this is the part which is important wherever you are reading. So your writing skills automatically improved after reading. Means you will know that how to use that sentence. You will know these things. And please take observations. Observe all things. How opposite person talk in front of you guys, and how that sentences works on, and you're using, see, writing and reading, this is the other thing, and speaking is the other thing. It's not talking about like using tense and using all these stuff. This is a language, so you can talk any of doing all these things. So mostly use your speaking with a confidently. Don't be unfair. You're fearing. This is a part you need to skip in your way. Single day you can use your reading all too. Then and how English speaks opposite person, and you don't know about how to speak, don't know about how to read, and you don't know about how to listen, then come up with these points too. You need to take observations all of stuff and apply on your life too. And I want to tell you the next thing, that you need to practice those things regularly, consistently. This is the important thing, will improve by you 100%. Topic is, I want to tell you five things you need to use that concept if you want to learn English, if you want to speak fluently, if you want to speak confidently, and if you want to speak without fear. So let's come with me. Remove all embarrassing things. Remove all embarrassing things, like that people will laugh on me. How she is talking. How he is talking. So be aware of that person. Not be aware, because they are trying to insecurity, because they people are insecure because of you, because you are trying to new language, and you are improving by yourself. So they people are insecure, and they people are trying to embarrass you. So don't worry, don't see that person, see that person to in a positive way. It's never it's it's not about like that. They people always motivate you. It doesn't matter, so don't worry about it. In way to wherever you are talking in front of people. And see, this is not our language. Our language is what? Our language is our native language. Our language is our mother tongue language. So love your own language too, own Indian language. We all have no Hindi is our national language. So we should have to love your own language. But besides, you need to learn. Keep always learning these skills also, English language also, because most of the people trying to speak, but they never speak in front of anyone because our environment that cannot work properly. But this is not a proper to negotiate all these points. So keep it mind, if you don't have anyone to talk, anyone's at your home, so you can go through in front of camera, in front of recorder. First of all, talk in front of recorder. Wherever you are trying to speak English or listening any video, any audio, then repeat that sentences in that way. But don't watch any different dramatically different language, means different way of, there is a different kind of sentences used. So first apply on one person, means follow one person if you like the most, and use that kind of sentences regularly. You can use that sentences in your mouth too, and speak loudly wherever you are talking. And you can use here wherever you are reading, then you can speak there with a loudly, with loudly. So that can help your tongue also works, your English sentence. See, this is that most of that four things, speaking, reading, writing, and listening. These are the four things you need to keep in mind always if you want to become a good speaker, if you want to become a good speaker in English. So most of the kind of people are using my strategy. That kind of works. I was busy, so I was not in mood to shoot my video, this today's video. Thank you all, thank you very much. Me, please subscribe my channel and comment in my channel if you like my video most of the case. So please, bye bye all, see you soon.